I'm gonna make some lunch, and this is the tomato I always use because I get a question like, what tomato do you use? So I've thought, let me show you guys the tomato in the store. So this is the Lidl. They sell this tomato at the Lidl. It's very, very sweet. This tomato is different from the one that you use to cook normally. It's a very sweet tomato. I really, really liked it. And I just like adding some black pepper on top of it just to give it that spiciness a little bit. So for today's lunch, I just wanted to eat some tomato and some fried plantain. So I fried some plantain, and I have my tomatoes and I have my black pepper. You can add any other thing else if you want to. You can just eat it like that on its own. But for me, I have just been craving this tomato with some black pepper. One way also for you to enjoy this tomato is also try this tomato with some red onions, garlic, and some black pepper. So you chop the tomato into blocks and then added some garlic, and then add some onions and some black pepper. Very, very delicious. Also, one way I love eating this tomato is I really, really enjoy it. It's really delicious. It's really nice. So yeah, this is what I feel like eating. This is what I feel like eating for today's lunch. And also I'm going to eat some yogurts. I also got some yogurts which I'm also going to take after I'm done with this. When it comes to simple snacks like this, I really, really enjoy it. As you guys can see, the black pepper is just going to add as a spice on top of it, and it's going to taste really, really delicious. So yeah, this was the simple this is my tomato black pepper. This is what I do, this is what I eat, and this is what I'm going to eat today for lunch. And you can have this as breakfast, as lunch, as in between snacks, all depends on you. For me, I'm just going to have this for lunch today, and I really enjoy it. My kids also enjoy this one. It's really nice.